Я, Пашков Алексей Владимирович, 77-го года.
The first #Russian mobilized soldier was captured by the Ukrainian armed forces. The man in the video says that he was mobilized in Moscow on September 21st and sent to the front a few days later. On September 27th, he was taken prisoner by the Afu and Kharkiv region.
Прибыл в город Купянск убивать националистические батальоны.
Video of a pair of Ukrainian Su-24 bombers dropping bombs on a Russian tank. This is a Ukrainian Su-24 flying over a Ukrainian M777 crew. Another short horror story from Russian mobilization site. And some tank porn for the end.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.